Hello guys, my name is Chris Geiser. I'm one of the program mates here at DWR, and today I'm going to be reading one of my favorite books, also a wonderful children's song. It's Raining, It's Pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He bumped his head and went to bed and gonna get up in the morning. It's cloudy, it's breezy, the old man is sneezy. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, and of course that wasn't easy. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much, one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. It's warm out and sunny, the old man loves honey. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, that looks silly. It's crusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the lily. Whenever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', if he goes to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. That was It's Raining, It's Pouring. I would love to hear if you love this kind of book and if you remember this kind of limerick when you guys were a kid. Have a wonderful day.